In the bustling city of Medina, the Muslim community found itself faced with a crucial need. A place where believers could unite, pray, and seek guidance from the teachings of the Quran. Their hearts yearned for a sanctuary, a haven where they could come together as a community, just as they had done in the sacred precincts of the Kaaba. But alas, they were far from Mecca now, and the Kaaba's sheltering embrace was but a distant memory. So, they prayed wherever they could, under the open sky, in humble corners, longing for a place to call their own. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, knew this longing well. With wisdom and determination, he set out to find a suitable location for the construction of a mosque, a place that would serve as the heart of the burgeoning Muslim community. With the guidance of Allah, a plot of land was identified, a space where the camel of the Prophet had once rested. It belonged to two brothers, Sol and Suhail, under the guardianship of Asad ibn Zurara. A few humble structures dotted the land, a testament to its quiet history. The Prophet, ever mindful of justice and fairness, approached the owners with an offer to purchase the land. But they, filled with generosity and faith, refused any payment, trusting in Allah's reward. Undeterred, the Prophet, with his companion Abu Bakr, purchased the land for a modest sum, setting the stage for what was to come. And so, the call to action went out to the believers. Each person, young and old, rich and poor, answered with fervor, eager to contribute to the construction of their sacred space. Mud bricks were molded, stones were gathered, and hands worked tirelessly, united in purpose. Amidst the labor, the Prophet himself toiled alongside his companions, his actions speaking volumes of his humility and dedication. With each brick laid, each stone placed, the bonds of brotherhood grew stronger, echoing the unity of the Muslim Ummah. In the midst of this collective effort, the Prophet's gaze fell upon Ammar, a steadfast companion who bore the weight of his burdens with unwavering resolve. With a tender touch, the Prophet offered comfort and foresight, foretelling Ammar's noble fate. And so, through sweat and sacrifice, the mosque of the Prophet took shape, a beacon of light amidst the desert sands. With its humble walls and simple beauty, it stood as a testament to the faith and dedication of the believers. Within its walls, prayers echoed, hearts found solace, and a community flourished. It was not just a building of bricks and mortar, but a symbol of unity, faith, and devotion, a legacy that would endure for generations to come. And thus, the construction of the Masjid an-Nabawi was not merely a physical endeavor, but a spiritual journey, a testament to the power of faith, unity, and the enduring legacy of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him.